The electronics engineering field is evolving rapidly, driven by breakthroughs in the areas such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. The future belongs to those who can harness the power of AI, IoT and signal processing. And that's what BITS Pilani Work Integrated Learning Programs, WILP, B.Tech Electronics Engineering Program is designed to make you do. To shape you into the bright professional who not only learns new technologies but also applies them creatively and strategically to propel their ecosystems forward. The BITS Pilani WILP's B.Tech Electronics Engineering has been meticulously designed, keeping your work academics balance in mind. The live lectures are conducted over an online technology-enabled platform that ensures interactivity with the professors and mostly take place over the weekends or after business hours. There is also flexibility in terms of recorded lectures and ready reckoner material, as well as access to your instructors using dedicated channels. While you attend lectures regularly with BITS Pilani faculty, you will also be taught about what kind of tools the industry is deploying, whether it is MATLAB or Multisim, and also how these tools are helping them solve problems. Practical scenario-based applications are also discussed to give broader industry perspective. Through experiential learning, students gain hands-on experience in integrating processors, sensors, communication modules to create intelligent, connected devices. This prepares them to contribute to the future of IoT, automation, AI, and ML in electronics and related fields. Graduates of this program will be well positioned for roles in high demand areas like embedded system design, IoT development, processor architecture, and communication technology. As the electronic industry shifts towards automation, AI, ML, and 5G communication, students will be ready to take on key positions in the fields such as telecommunication, consumer electronics, autonomous systems, and semiconductor technologies. This hands-on approach equips students with practical skills and experience that are directly applicable to their careers. I wish you all the best for your future. See you in the class.